Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you a delicious recipe for fried fish. This one is crispy and so yummy. I serve it with fried plantain, but you can serve it anything you like. So give me a thumbs up now and let's get started. You can use tilapia, red snapper or any type of fish you love. Then make some incision on the fish with a sharp knife. This will help the seasoning get inside the fish and also it will help it cook easily. Once done, I'm going to season my fish with lime juice. You can also use some lemon if you don't have lime. You can check the description box below for the ingredient list and measurement. I'm now going to make a simple seasoning with black pepper, ground ginger, some seasoning. You can also add some bouillon cube if you like, curry powder and salt. If you love chili powder, you can also add a bit to make it hot. Mix this very well together. Then use that to really season the fish. Put it everywhere on the fish and rub really well. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe now for more delicious African recipes. Then heat the oil on medium heat and add some onions. Cover the fish with flour on both sides. This will make the fish crispier and it will also prevent it from sticking to the bottom even if you are not using a non-stick pan. Then gently place the fish in the middle of the oil. You can fry the first side for 5 minutes and flip it. Then fry the other side also for 5 minutes. Then repeat the process one more time, but this time 3 minutes on each side. This will give you a very crispy and delicious fish. Once done, remove from the oil and set aside. I will serve this with fried plantain. I will also make an onion sauce and a hot pepper sauce. If you want to see my recipe for an onion sauce or hot pepper, let me know in the comment box below. I love this dish so much, I can eat it every single day. So here you have it, serve it hot and enjoy. Have a nice day. Bye.